What's up, Paulding? Your bulletin for this week. Mr. Salcedo here. We got a lot of stuff, 2 videos, so we might as well jump right in, starting with the yearbook. Hey, remember, they are $10 off. You can buy those at jostens.com. Reopening on March 15th. Woo! Yeah! Hey, check your email so you know if you're AM, PM, or online. If that does not jive with what you're thinking you are, please contact the office so we can get that fixed.
Coronavirus daily screening form for those of us going back to school. There are 2 ways you can do this, both through the Paulding website or directly through ParentSquare. First, I'm going to be showing you how to get to it through the Paulding website. You can just Google Paulding Middle School. The first result will likely be our website, paulding.luciamrschools.org. In the middle of your screen should be a coronavirus screening form. And if you click on it, it will bring you to the link. If it's not there, then it should be along the sidebar like this, where you can just click on the arrow and it'll bring it directly back to your screen. The other way you can do it is directly by Googling or just finding ParentSquare. Sign in through ParentSquare. There's actually 2 different ways to do it as well. It will likely bring you to a page like this. You can click on over here on the daily self-screening form and press submit daily screening. That will bring you to the form as well. Or you can go to participate and it'll bring you to, you can look at the either groups or health screening. Health screening is what we're looking for. And then you can press submit daily screening.
Masks must be worn at all times. Your mask must be 2 layers, and it must cover your nose and mouth. Bring a water bottle to school. Fountains and hydration stations are closed. Bring your personal or school device or Chromebook with a fully charged battery. In the morning, before you come to school, please fill out the COVID health screener form.
Yeah, I'm so excited for going back to school. Oh wait, 1 sec. I have to do the daily health screener. All clear.
If you get to school early and realize you still need to fill out the daily COVID screener, you can use the QR code on the many signs posted all over campus. When hanging out, students must be 6 feet apart. Only air hugs and air high fives. When walking through campus, the arrows remind us to walk on the right side and maintain social distance. Wait outside of each class. There are dots on the ground to help you with spacing. When entering class, all students must apply hand sanitizer. Thank you for doing your best to follow these requirements. Our efforts will help us stay healthy and move closer to a less restricted school day.
Whenever you come to campus, you might be thinking, oh my goodness, what do I need to bring? Mask, charged Chromebook, headphones, that little piece of graph paper that we have printed out for you, your reading book if that's needed for class, water bottle, and remember to fill out that COVID form. Some frequently asked questions. Yeah, thank you ASB for providing these questions. Remember, phones are off and away. Hanging out, I'm sorry, you got to come right to class, stand on a dot. After school, you got to get off campus. Locker rooms, I'm sorry, they are not open. Water, bring a water bottle. Bathrooms, they will be open. As you go into the bathroom, make sure we're maintaining 6 feet of social distance, or if you need to go to a different bathroom to do that, please do so. Dress the coat. Hey, cover that torso, cover those undergarments, and make sure the images are all appropriate. If you're sick, stay at home. Coming to school, you can come up from the village, you can come up from the bridge, you can get dropped off or walk up the hill. Hey, we can't wait to see you. Here's what the schedule looks like in case you're curious. We got the AM and the PM, 3 classes a day. That's the big thing. Roughly 50 minutes a period and 5 minutes of passing in between. So take a look at that schedule. Seeds in STEM going on March 6th. If you're interested, you can find out more information, either Gmail or hit that QR code. And speaking of STEM, hey, Mrs. Reed, our very own science teacher, majored in biology and went to Hope College in Holland, Michigan. She was a teacher's assistant for a physics class and worked in the chemistry lab. That sounds cool. Was a part of a sorority. And you can already tell she likes Chicago. Attention 7th graders, if that is you, Friday today, AVID applications are due, and AVID is also putting on this college awareness every Thursday. Congratulations to 7th grade PE's best. Let's go through the list. We have Maya Bobadilla, Malia Gonzalez, Lucy Farmer, Brickerhoff, Leonardo Meza Rojas, Sophia Stanklescu, Natalie Hemaseth, Ryder Edmondson, and Charlie Colgan. Round of applause for you guys. You rock. Remember to save the date. If you're going to AGHS, March 17th, virtual Welcome to the Nest, and March 24th, live Q&A. That's all we got. Take a look at those videos if you need to again. And March 15th is the big day. Hey, you can come onto campus and get acquainted with where your classes are going to be. So come on the weekend, check it out. Make sure you're ready to go for that March 15th date. Can't wait to see you guys. Mr. Salcido saying bye and have a great weekend.